Am I the only one that didn't know Audi had this in their pocket? Well, buckle up. Frank Stippler, the man, the myth, the legend, just set a blistering lap record with the pre-production model of the Audi RS3. We're talking 33.123 minutes around the Nürburgring-Nordschleife. That's over 5 seconds faster than the previous record. Holy moly, now how did they pull this off? It's all about the tech, baby. The RS3's got a torque splitter that plays nice with the electronic stabilization control and wheel selective torque control, aka brake torque vectoring. Translation: this baby grips the road like a cat on a hot tin roof. And let's not forget the RS Sport suspension's optional adaptive dampers and the modular vehicle dynamics controller with its super smart algorithm. It's like having a race engineer riding shotgun. The upgraded RS3 isn't just fast, it's a brainiac too. And guess what? You can order one come August, and it'll hit dealerships in October. Time to start saving those pennies. So car enthusiasts, get ready. The Audi RS3 just proved it's the king of the compact segment.